Since we started the company back in 2005, the vision for the company to be the IT security value-added distributor leader in the Middle East in the regions. So we started with two guys. The company now we are more than 100 resources, and the vision to hit $100 million for the first 10 years. So we have now 9 years, and we are very close to that number, and we are looking forward really to achieve that target by 2015. So the vision is to stay on the value-added distribution as a security focus, and that's what we are doing since 9 years, and we continue on the same track, focusing always on the next generation security solution that available in the market, bringing a new advanced security solution as well. So this really helped us to make our offering very unique comparing with other traditional distributions who's available in the market. And really we managed to reshape the distribution landscape in the market, and many other distributors they try recently to replicate what we have done, because we have really worked in very successful model as a well-proven. I remember when we started the company, many other distributors say, why you are doing it this way? I mean, especially with the value-added distributions, because the classical distributor focusing on logistic and credit and all this stuff, and mainly focusing on the volume product with a well-known brand. But since we started the company, we were focusing on the new product, and we're bringing new product to the market, and unknown product, and make a big success with these unknown product, and basically bring it from zero to multi-million dollars revenue. So I think with this success, and we have done it now almost 18 times with different product, we have managed to create our own style of distribution, let me say, which we consider as really a true value-added distributions to the market, which basically is mapping our structure toward the business partner structure, and offering the sales and the pre-sales and support and services, training to all of our business partner. And this will help really the business partner to feel and to take the value that they need from us. And this, was a little bit new to the market, and many business partners they don't understand what's the role of distribution, because they're used to the fulfillment distributor. But I feel we have managed to do a good success after 9 years, and after a good proven record. Many business partners really appreciate what we have done, and they start to recognize this value. And we're looking forward really to continue with the same focus, and we replicate the same success story that we have done in Dubai. Today we are locally present in 8 countries, in Saudi, Qatar, Bahrain, Oman, and Kuwait. And last year we started also in Turkey and South Africa. So we will continue expansion, geographic-wise, and increasing also the portfolio that we have. More than 80% of our resources, they are security professional service. They are coming from consultancy background as well, which make us again very unique in terms of value that we are adding to our business partner community or to the vendors. Again, majority of my resources came from either vendor background or business partner background. So we understand exactly what the requirement from business partner point of view and the vendor's requirement. And this really help us in shaping and structuring the company in a way that can address the challenge that exists in the partner community and from the vendors and what they are expecting. So every year we are coming with a new concept, with a new business plan to the vendors and the business partner to help them really to strengthen their local presence in the market. So for 2014, we decided to make it the year of the channels, and we launched a program called the STARLINK Choice. And basically it focuses in organizing our business partner and trying to increase the revenue of that business partner, and in the back end to give a reward to the enterprise company, the loyal business partner that they contributed with us for this year, and this will encourage them really to increase their profitabilities and their margins, and at the same time we will have more close working together formula in order to increase the existing pipeline and helping them to close more business. So it's a unique program that we have created, where it has a combine of a percentage rebate that we are giving at the end of each quarter, and at the same time many other marketing / sales activity that we are offering for these strategic partners who choose to select this program. And we got an excellent feedback from our business partner. Last week we have conducted our annual conference, partner conference in Dubai. We have around 52 business partners attended this conference, and we got really an excellent feedback from our business partner communities, and we really look forward for having a very successful business with them for this year. Currently we have 18 vendors working with us, and last year we launched the new go-to-market strategy for this brand, and we categorize these 18 vendors into 4 categories. The first one we call access control, and then we have advanced protections and vulnerability management and secure mobility. By doing this, again, we are making something new in the distributions, not just to focus on selling product, it's more to sell solutions. Because again, when we acquire these 18 products, we acquire it because we know that there is somehow an integration from security point of view, that these products need to work together in order to address certain challenges in security. So that's the way that when we start evaluating any new technology or any product, we look at what we have in terms of a product and then what we are missing, and then we try to complement that. Definitely our model, is still looking after the new and next generation security product, advanced security solutions. That's our main evaluation factor. So we are not yet into the infrastructure security, because traditionally that was not in our area. We were focusing on the niche security product. And we have been known for the last 9 years on bringing new technologies to the market. Many partners, customers appreciate that type of engagement with them, and they know when they engage with STARLINK, always there's something new that we have added. We attended all the security global conferences that's happening worldwide, and we try really to update ourselves with the latest technologies, and usually even we bring something which we know that it's gonna happen, maybe we call it next generation technologies. And we have been known on that, and we will continue doing that. So the focus will be around these 4 solutions. We are planning for the second half of this year to launch another set of solutions and to address certain areas of security, which we will be launching in the second half of this year. The first DNA, I call it, it's the resources that we have. Really, if you look at our resources from the MD down to the support, BDMs, country manager, pre-sales, I can tell you almost all of us, we are coming from security consultancy background. So that's make an excellent synergy from management and the technical. So we are a services-driven distributor, let me put it this way. All of us coming from the same domain. And this makes us, plan accordingly on the same track, and we are really working as a one team. This is one. The second is really the environment that we managed to create, and with surrounding with the professional resources that we have, and the way that we are driving, let me say, the career of individual. This is a unique in a market like Middle East, or let me be more specific, in Dubai. It's very, very challenging really to sustain a resource if you don't really give him a proper career path for him. So we have been very successful on that, and since we started, and that's maybe very few guys know it, since we started in 2005 till today, we are now 100 plus resources. We have only get 3 resignation from our resources, and these 3 resignation was due to reallocation of different part of the world, and this gives you an indication about how solid is the organization in terms of the team. This is one. The third thing, which we focus on the processes and procedures and the tools that we are using inside. So we are very process oriented, the company, very well structured internally, because we have built the company for the last 9 years with one goal, is to focus in value added distribution. So every year we have a new challenge that we need to bring in new procedures, new processes, and new tools that help us really to be different. So, and the challenge we say, well, we have learned from all the existing distributors and what they have done and where they feel, where their mistakes, and really we managed to learn from that, and not to go into the same mistakes of other distributors. So we have grown the company in very mature way, and we balance between the technologies that we carry in product versus the revenue that we are carrying, plus the technical resources that we have in order to carry. So these 3 areas, the technologies and the resources that we have, and the revenue, it was well balanced in the company. And this is where, so we are not like a purely revenue-driven company. Otherwise, you will pick up any product in order to count back. But the focus is just not the revenue. The revenue is just one of the aspects, but the resources were the main aspect, because that's the main asset. Being in a services company, the main asset for any service company is the resources that you have, and to grow with them and to feel so. I'm very fortunate to work with my resources. I enjoy dealing with them, and so my office is like an operational center. So we exchange ideas and we come up with new things every single day. I am in the meetings with the team in order to come up with a new way of selling the solutions, a new way to help the business partner, new ways to really help the vendors in increasing their revenue. And I think being well connected with the team, the management, and the team working as a one team, it makes a big difference for us.